Hey guys, so today we're going to install a new HyperVolt into this 2014 GMC. So this works for basically 2014 to 2019 models, depending on what truck you have. But basically this is the full version, the full center console with the cutout without stock or factory charging. So we want to add charging to this guy, and we'll basically show you how to install the HyperVolt. So it's super simple. First thing you're gonna do is pop the lid open and remove this back panel. There's just a few clips holding this guy in place. So you just take the pry tool and it'll be pretty snug. We've taken this one off a handful of times, so it'll just pop out. Yours might be a little tougher. So that guy just pops off. So that's popped off, and now we're just gonna pull this rubber mat out, just like that. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hex torque screws. So we're just gonna pop those out. All right, so now this tray just pops out. Now something to note, obviously we've used this to prototype, so we've already, there's another hole here, and we want to basically route the end of this charger through here. Now yours, you're gonna have to drill it out. You can use a Dremel. We use a stepper bit just to open up that hole. Functionally, it doesn't do anything. If you have the rubber mat on or revert it back to stock, you're not gonna see the hole, but we need it here and we need it in the top of the console lid. So what I like to do is once I drill this hole, make sure the plug fits through, I use that as a pilot to guide drilling in to the bottom of the console. So you could just mark it with a pen or take the drill, start drilling, remove this, drill through until you can fit the cord through the hole. So that's important to note. Once you've done that, the rest is super simple. We're gonna take the end of the plug, we're going to route it through the tray, just like so. That's gonna sit in here. I'm gonna flip it over. You'll see that there's 2, 4, 6 screws that we're going to screw into. We're going to feed this end of the cord through the console lid. And that is all just going to route like so. Now I'm going to take the hardware, these M3 screws, and we're just going to reverse. We're just going to screw those right in to the back of the HyperVolt. Get a few started. Got 2 more. You can check just to make sure everything's sitting nice and flush. May have to wiggle them in pretty good because there's a little bit of material that kind of has to poke its way through to get to the threads. So and you don't need to go crazy tightening these things. Just make sure they're snug. So just like that. Now we're gonna take your 12-volt adapter, move this out of the way, and we're just going to plug it in. Now what's important here is a lot of guys will get this really snug, put everything back together, and then close the console lid. And what happens is it pulls, and it can pull hard, so just be really careful. What you should do is just get this cleaned up a little bit. Say like this. Take your little cable tie, wrap up the loose slack, and now if this guy, you want to make sure, I like to keep it on the right side, but yeah, just make sure that cable's not going to get pinched. And from here, I can kind of just pull out however much I need to make sure that when I close this, see if I were to close this, see it's pulling on it. So I want to make sure I have enough slack in the line. So just make sure you have enough slack that when this closes, I just have it riding in this channel. I'll pull this down a little bit, get a feel for where everything's gonna sit. See how, and I just slowly pushing down, because if there was not enough slack and I just slammed this down, it could bend the end. We don't want that, so just a little bit more. And that looks good. So now I can just play with my, close up my lid. I'm just gonna test that again, and we're good to go. Like, I could also wrap this up a little bit, but overall it works really well. And if I grab my phone, I'll turn this guy on just to show you how well the MagSafe works. So that's the install there. Throwing the phone on, charges no problem, and it's not going anywhere. So if you guys have any questions, let us know. You can email us at support@ChinookAutoSupplies.com. Send us pictures of your install. If you have questions about fitment or the install itself, let us know. For you guys that keep asking us about a direct wiring harness, that is something we're exploring. And so if you buy this and we come out with a harness, the harness will be designed to use the existing USB-C end and then plug into the the back end connector. So just keep your eyes out for that. Then we can sell those separately and you're not missing out on anything. So that's the charger. Super slick, works good. Again, if you have any questions, let us know, and we'll see you in the next one.